Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today on Pilates with Amanda's YouTube channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing a guided Pilates meditation, and it is going to be in the moment, completely organic, and inspired by a goddess oracle card. And these cards, I'm going to just pick a random card and I'm going to do the meditation based on what it has in store for us today. We just had a full moon, and that is significant. So I don't know why, but I know it's valid, and I think that this will be fun. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna pick a random card. I'm just shuffling, and this is how I like to do it. Picking my card. Blossoming, and it says, you are just getting started, so have patience with yourself and the process and do not give up. Wow, that makes me feel good. So I am going to just create a workout inspired by blossoming, and it's going to be a meditation dedicated to that. So we're gonna try this and see what that means. By the way, I just want to read you what blossoming means. Okay. So it says, in many ways, you are like a flower bud who is ripe and ready to open and grow. Don't try to rush this process, as it's part of your beautiful path. Enjoy learning new knowledge and skills. Take your time to gather new ideas. Nurture your body with plenty of fresh air, sunshine, water, and healthful food. Soon enough, you'll be the unmistakable signal that it's time to put your learning into action. Spend time among flowers. Wow. Spend time among flowers or work with flower essence and oils to support your growth process. It says slow down, have patience, get involved with gardening, use aromatherapy and or flower essence, and keep the faith. So I think that is awesome, and I actually have essential oils, so let me go get those. I have these essential oils, eucalyptus, sweet orange, and happy. And I'm gonna use the eucalyptus. It's calming, and we're gonna just go through this Pilates meditation flow. Yum, yum. Okay, let's begin. So everybody, you're gonna inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Sit on your sit bones, close your eyes. Feel your breath enter your body. Feel your breath expel your body. Inhale. Feel the rising and falling of your chest. And one more. Inhale. And exhale. I'd like you to slowly lower your spine down, bone by bone, onto your mat. And bring your arms up towards the sky. Feel the weight of your fingers. Feel your arm. Feel the weight of your arm. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale, bring your arms over your head. Feel the stretch, and exhale. Bring them back to upright. Inhale. With control, keep your ribs heavy, and exhale. Bring them back up to 90, and again. Feel the stretch, and exhale. And one more. And good. From here, you're going to lift your head and lower your arms and lower everything back down. So you're going to inhale and exhale. This whole workout, although it is still a workout, even if it's a meditation, it's more focused on the breath and it's a lot slower in pace. So it's really about feeling the breath move through your body and just feeling how it enters as you move. Because you can still meditate while moving. You don't always have to be still. One more. Meditation is what meditation is to you. So rolling your spine all the way up. For me, Pilates is meditation. So I find my center when I do this, and because it allows me to just feel my body in such a way, I'm truly meditating because I'm focusing on that area, and I want you to do the same. So when I tell you to put attention on a certain part of your body, that is in lieu of the meditation. For example, when you're meditating and they say, feel your leg, feel the weight of your leg, imagine energy running down your whole leg. I want you to kind of feel that through the exercise, okay? So getting started, we're going to just reach towards our feet. Really inhale into the backs of our hamstrings. Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch in your lower back. Really reach for your toes as best as you can with your shoulders heavy. And then peel your spine up, bone by bone, sitting up tall. And again, you're going to reach for your toes. Really lengthen your spine. Feel the hamstring stretch and connecting with the lower back. Breathe into that spot. And exhale. Stack your spine back up. Let's do 2 more like that. You're going to really reach for your feet. Just let your fingers reach. Kind of wiggle your fingers. Feel the sensation of wiggling your fingers as you reach for your feet. If you're able to, pull your feet back towards your face and allow your shoulders to press away from you, so you're actually opening up the space underneath your shoulder. And then drop your shoulder. Try and lengthen your back. Feel the length of your spine. If you can't do that with your hands holding onto your feet, you can grab on to your calves. And remember, this is all in lieu of blossoming was the card. So I really want this to be an expansive meditation as we flow through. It's like we're blossoming through the movements and finding all the length and expansion that we can find. And then stacking our spines back up. You're going to tuck the pelvis under and feel the stretch in your lower back. And then exhale, roll over your body, sit up tall, and do that again. So if you want, link your hands together, feel the sensation of your hands grabbing, your fingers intertwining, and then tuck the pelvis under. Allow the stretch. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Feel the deepening of your core just by sitting in this position. Can you keep your shoulders down? Can you keep your neck long? Can you keep everything still and breathe? And exhale. Pull the navel in and again inhale. Keep everything still. And lower yourself down all the way. Bring your arms over your head. Feel the stretch underneath your armpits. Reach your fingers towards the opposite end of the room. Really find the length. Feel how tall you can be from your toes to your fingers. Really reach. And then let it go. And feel inhaling and exhaling. And circling your arms around. And rolling the spine back up, bone by bone. Put your hands behind your head. Let your head be heavy in your hands. And fold your spine over. Exhale. Take your time as you do this. Sit up tall. Flatten your back. Lean back like a door hinge. Exhale. Tuck the pelvis under. Feel your muscles moving through the air, and then exhale. Feel your bones pressing into the mat. Fold over yourself. Let your head be heavy. Inhale into your back. exhale. And roll your spine up till you're sitting tall. From here, you're going to go onto your stomachs and put your hands underneath your shoulders, point your toes, let your neck be long, and inhale into this position. So inhale into your back and then exhale, navel into spine. And again, inhale. Shoulders are down, neck is long. And exhale. 2 more, inhale. If you want to squeeze your glutes, feel that sensation, feel and really imagine your butt fibers pulling together and creating a tight tush that's actually fully engaged, that you can release it and you don't feel the tension. So I want you to create a lot of tension in your butt, but like not bad tension. I want you to think of open, released tension, and then place your hands on the mat and lift your chest, drop your shoulders, inhale, and exhale, and lower yourself down on the exhale, bone by bone. And again, you're going to nudge a marble away. Feel the length of your neck. Feel the length of your spine. Keep your shoulders down. Press your hands into the mat. Open your chest. Inhale into your stomach. Feel the stretch of your stomach. Feel the stretch of your back. Let your stomach hang and then exhale. Lower down from the stomach to the chest, to the neck, and then the nose. 2 more. You're going to nudge the marble away. Let your chest rise up as high as you can. If this is all you can do, that's fine. But if you can lift higher, please feel the stretch. Lift your head. Let your stomach really stretch, lengthen, and lower down bone by bone. 1 more. Exhale. Blossom. You're rising. You're growing. You're getting longer and taller. And melting down bone by bone. Good. You're going to put your hands right underneath your forehead, and you're going to kick your butt and slowly lower it down. And you're going to kick, but instead of doing like a Pilates traditional, like kick, kick, and lower, I just want you to kick, feel your quad stretching in this position. Point your toes, flex your toes, point, flex, inhale, point, exhale, flex, and lengthen. So kind of different. You're going to put your head down, slowly kick your butt, feel the stretch of your quad, press your hip bone down, inhale into this, and then exhale, point your toe, flex, point, inhale, and exhale. 1 more. And lower it down. And then relax your shoulders. Feel just a long neck, no tension. The tension is melting away. It is falling down your shoulders like a waterfall. And just breathe into this position. Feel your breath going into your chest and your back, and then exhale. And from here, you're going to lift your legs and you're going to do tiny little kicks, breathing like you're swimming. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Try and find relaxed upper body as you do this. And only thing that's moving are your legs. And then let that go. Go into child's pose. So lower yourself down. Reach your fingers away. Drop your butt. Feel the stretch in your armpits, in your lower back. Breathe into these places. And exhale. Find the tight spots again. Inhale. And melt the air out. Roll your spine up, bone by bone. Sit up tall. And we're going to sit and put one hand down. You're going to reach. Reach your fingers to the opposite corner of the room or wherever you are and breathe into your side. And exhale. Sitting up tall, reach for the other side. Find the stretch. Breathe into the space of your lungs. Breathe into the space of your side. And again, reaching. And exhale. And reach. And exhale. One more. And the last one. Reach. Okay. Moving on, we're almost done with this meditation. Pilates flow. So I hope you're starting to feel just within your body, you feel more connected to your breath. You feel calm, you feel tranquil. This wasn't meant to be strenuous. It's meant to make you feel rejuvenated and like you just had a meditation. So we're moving on. Actually, no, we're not moving on. I feel centered. I feel blossomed. I feel like that was a succinct flow for what I was setting out to do. And I hope you feel as calm and inspired and ready to take on your day as I do. So I'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want more, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe in the little corner on the lower right hand side. I am Amanda and thanks for coming to Pilates with Amanda's YouTube channel.